Tired of long queues and late payment penalties? Paying your Kplc bill via M-PESA is quick, easy, and can be done from the comfort of your home. First, grab your phone and open your M-PESA menu. Look for the Lipa na M-PESA option, and select it. Next, you'll see a few options. Choose Pay Bill. This is where you'll enter the details for your Kplc payment. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the business number. For Kplc, the business number is 888,888. Enter it carefully, then press OK. Next, enter your Kplc account number. This is the number printed on your Kplc bill. Double check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any payment errors. Press OK after entering. Enter the amount you wish to pay, based on your latest Kplc bill. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your M-PESA account. Press OK. Now, enter your M-PESA PIN to authorize the transaction. This keeps your payments secure. Make sure no one is looking when you enter the PIN. Review the transaction details carefully, ensuring the business number, account number, and amount are all correct. Then press OK to send. You'll receive an SMS confirmation from M-PESA confirming your payment. Keep that confirmation SMS for your records, and that's it. You've successfully paid your Kplc bill using M-PESA. No more queues, just easy and convenient payments.